Allie, one more time.
Let's go, Allie.
Allie.
Pass.
Mommy, you pass.
Pass. Oh. Something.
Bow and arrow.
I like turtles.
Zombie. Zombie.
No.
Makeup.
Pass. It's a singer.
Okay.
It's a famous singer.
Okay, Justin Bieber.
No.
Amelia.
A boy or girl?
Britney, and
Spears.
it sounds like it has a singer, it has a B.
Amelia.
No, I know, but let her do it, Beyonce.
Yes. It's something where you sing on, it's a show.
American Idol.
Yes. It's a show that starts with T.
You can't tell me that.
It's a show.
What was the show that started with T?
Twilight.